Are giving more people more and more confidence to start traveling again. So that's got airlines and countries around the world, quite frankly, considering if travelers should show what's called a vaccine passport before you get on a plane. That would prove that they got one of the COVID-19 shots, or at least two of one of the vaccines. Fox 13's Brianna Ardano joins us now live from Tampa International Airport. Hi there, Brianna. So how exactly do you think this might work, and is anybody using it yet?
Well, a vaccine passport is a way to travel if another country needs proof that you got the COVID-19 vaccine. And tonight, experts are sharing what that looks like along with the pros and cons. More people are getting on planes now, but first you may need to prove you got the COVID vaccine.
It's likely that if the pandemic and the disease do not go away, that we're going to have some kind of passport.
Public health experts like Dr. Jay Wolfson with USF Health are staying up to date on international talks about a vaccine passport. It's a verified document proving you were vaccinated or tested negative for the virus, and countries are coming up with their own versions.
Who's going to do this? Will governments do it? Will the World Health Organization do it? Will state health departments do it? Or will private sector companies do this?
The International Air Transport Association developed an app for it, and they're testing with several airlines right now. But the trade group tells us they are against mandatory vaccines for travel because it risks discrimination where vaccines aren't available. A few countries are even using health passes for travel within their own countries. Here in the U.S., some epidemiologists told Governor DeSantis Thursday they don't like that idea.
We're going to then turn around and say you have to have a vaccine passport to participate in American life. It's going to be a new vaccine Jim Crow.
Some argue a vaccine passport can ease anxiety with international or domestic travel. U.S. airlines say they want some guidelines to go by. In a statement, the trade group Airlines for America tells us, we believe that such federal standards will protect against the risk of fraudulent documents and instill an additional layer of confidence in the traveling public. And the CDC does not have any sort of guidelines or rules for traveling, but they do not recommend traveling if you don't have to. Governor DeSantis says that he does not support doing a vaccine passport for Florida. Mark?
Sure. Brianna Ardano live for us tonight at TPA. Brianna, thanks.